Most pepper plants will only survive 1 year outdoors, but if you follow this technique, your pepper plants will last for many years to come, and you won't have to start any from seed. When temperatures start to consistently fall below 13 degrees Celsius, choose the plants you want to bring indoors. This works better on hot peppers as compared to bell peppers. If your pepper plants are already in containers, bring them inside. If they are not, you'll have to dig them up and transplant into a medium or large pot. Then water. Make sure to inspect the plant and its pot for any signs of bugs. Rinsing off the plant will help to remove some of them. Acclimate your plants to the indoor climate by moving them indoors and outdoors, back and forth, over a week's time. Once indoors, place the plants in full sun. If there isn't enough sunlight, you can use grow lights. The peppers will likely be wilted for a few days if transplanted, due to root disturbance. Cut off about a third of the plant. This will encourage newer growth in spring. Water the pepper plants occasionally, making sure to water much less than when they were outdoors. After the last frost in spring, you can begin acclimating your pepper plants to the outdoors. They can be planted into the garden, or left in the containers. Follow this entire process every year, and your pepper plants will potentially produce bigger yields every year. By following this method, called overwintering, you don't have to start peppers from seed every year.